Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well. I'm well too as well. So today I'm going to review about flashlight. SOFIRN sent me this flashlight SR23 model. You know how many lumens should a good flashlight have? If you don't know, don't worry, I tell you. A good flashlight lumens count depend on its intended use, with everyday tasks requiring 150 to 500 lumens, while outdoor activities like camping might need 300 to 1000 lumens. For more demanding situation, tactical uses typically require 1200 to 2500 lumens or more, and professional search and rescue can need over 3000 lumens. So this is the perfect flashlight for you because this is a durable UV light plus white light, maximum 3300 lumens. These are some specifications about the SR23 Sofirn flashlight. This flashlight is a rechargeable and a long-lasting. Comes with a high-capacity replaceable 21,700 battery and convenient USB-C charging. Enjoy long run out and easy top-ups at home, in the car, or on the go. This outer cap is a magnetic and a strong magnet. It's a pretty strong magnet. You see this? This is a pretty strong magnet. It's amazing. It's really good. Personally, I really like it, guys, and I recommend it to you guys too. And this is the rubber for grabbing it easily. This is the carrying clip. This clip is a reversible. You can use it this way. This is the one way. You see, this is hold tightly, and you can put it on the head and easily explore the things, and you can use it this other way too. Before going outside, I tested in the house first. And please check out the description for more details about this flashlight Sofirn SR23. One good thing in this flashlight is the demerable white light. Here I am just trying to open and how to dim or bright. These are some general operation how to use this light. This is the UV light. If you want to order this flashlight, I give you a link in my description box. Please check it out. This light is also available on Amazon, and you can order Sofirn website too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos. So my testing is complete. Before we go outside, first check it out the box, what's inside.